So 1 minute chart. Market has been moving suspiciously around this minor entry level, and we jumped in a quick few minutes and we were done. And look how market bounced off that level. Let me know what you think. Did Ra buy towards that minor level? Did Ra sell after the bounce of that level? You never know what's gonna happen, but something always happens around those entry exit levels. So check out the video, let me know. And here is my friend, I call him Javi. It's funny here around in near Parguera, there's a lot of UFO tourism. We can say that. People come over from all over the world and try to see UFOs and weird things that don't have any logical explanation. I have a few experiences of my own, but that's not what this channel is about. You can write me in the comments and I can let you know. But yeah, it's a funny figure they have, or they have a UFO port where, well, they made it like so UFOs can land there. Of course, it hasn't happened yet, but who knows? Okay, always look into the sky. Well, thank God it was an awesome trip. It was an awesome trade. Check it out and let me know. Enjoy it. Hello everyone, welcome to Van Life Day Traders. Ra Saint here with Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is Wednesday, April 30th, 2025. It's 10:49 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and we are here trading the NASDAQ Futures June 2025 contract. This is a 15-minute chart, but not financial advice. Okay, you know, this is just how I see the market and how I analyze the market per my Legacy Futures trading strategy. We have a 1 hour chart to the right, and market hitting a big, give me a second, everything's blowing up here. Too much wind today. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour chart. We have market hitting a big, huge resistance zone there. And of course, what happens when market hits a resistance zone? Pop, it bounces the other way most of the time. Okay, pop, that's exactly what happened here. High impact news at 8:30 and at 10 in the morning. FWAP, market did a huge drop, and now it's doing either a retracement or a changing, it's gonna start pushing to the upside. We don't know yet. I don't know yet, so I'm staying here tranquilito on the sidelines. We have here high up. We have here a lower low, and now we are having a consolidation. Okay, we have here as well support zones up right here, and we have here resistance up, and we also have a target zone. Up. Okay, we have all the elements of the Legacy Futures trading strategy. We have market hitting support resistance zones on higher time frames. We have support resistance zones on lower time frames, and we have entry levels We have here a major entry level, we have a main entry level, and we have a minor entry level way down here, market bouncing off that level. And of course we have a sell setup, and we have a small buy setup. So I am not doing anything yet. These zones are not confirmed yet. They are small resistance and support zones. I would love to see market hitting that support zone and bouncing back, probably after 11 in the morning, maybe around noon. I have to see. But right now there's no, jumping in would be a flip of a coin. Remember, we have a higher time frame sell setup, lower time frame buy setup. So I'm not gonna do anything yet. I'm gonna wait, see what happens. If market keeps pushing to the upside, then this setup would be confirmed, and we can look for another setup. Remember, we have main and major entry levels way up here, so plenty of time, plenty of room. I'm gonna take it easy. If I don't get a high probability setup, I just won't trade. I'd rather not trade than have a losing trade. So I like trading with probabilities, and right now they're kind of in the two possibilities, going up, going down, even going sideways, but I don't consider that a possibility. So let's wait and see for the market to settle down and see what's gonna happen. Soon market could easily continue to the downside, so I'm just gonna keep watching and wait for a clear opportunity. Okay, we are back, 12:18 in the afternoon, and as I was afraid of, market just continued here to the upside. That's a really strong signal, strong bullish signal. So now we have new support zones right here. Pop. These are not valid anymore. Delete. We have a new resistance zone way up here, right where the main entry level is. That is a good sign. This one we can delete. We have a new target zone way up here, up above that major entry level. This target zone is still valid. All the zones were still valid, but I'm gonna consider these new ones. So pop. Now we have a new minor entry level right here around 19,440, around there. And let's wait and see if market hits any of these support zone, maybe the first support zone, and bounce to the upside. I'm gonna put my take profit here around 72.50. Okay, I'm not looking to be a hero here. I could place it near that main entry level, but let's see what happens. Yep, that's all we have right now. Waiting for market to hit that support zone and then bounce to the upside. Let's see if it happens, and if not, no worries. I'm here cleaning and preparing everything to leave tomorrow, so I don't want to get stuck in a trade for too long and then end up losing a few points just because I need to do some stuff here. So if I can grab a trade, great. If not, nothing happens. Maybe I can trade one contract that get 10 to 15 points, and that'll be it. That's what I look usually. Alrighty, 12:32 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time, and we have here like what might be the start of a consolidation. We have the higher high, we have the lower low, we have here a lower high, here lower high, right here. Okay, I draw a trend line between those two highs, and now it's a matter of waiting. Remember, market could keep pushing to the downside, so I'm waiting for price action. A bounce of that higher low would mean the confirmation of that consolidation zone. If you look at the 1 hour chart, market dropped really strongly, then it bounced right back, and now it's pushing to the downside. So I am not looking for market to continue to the downside. I'm waiting for a bounce. If it continues to the downside, nothing happens, that's okay. I'm not gonna rush into a trade just to grab some points. I'm looking for a bounce on any of these support zones. If it happens, great, we can grab a few points around here, and if not, well, nothing happens. So let's just wait and see how this progresses. Okay, let's see. Market bounce off. This is a small support level. Let's see if we can grab a few points here. Okay, next candle, let's see if they break that level. Looking for 25 points here. Come on. Push a little bit more.
Target filled.
Catching, target filled. Really awesome trade. And I'm telling you, these entry exit levels are the bomb. Market reacting around that level here. Okay, you can see that. Pop, they started pushing, they came back down. They never reached that support zone, and they never reached that support zone on the lower time frame that we had earlier. And I mentioned that that was a sign of a strong bullish movement. So yeah, they came back again, really close, came back down. They never. I knew it was really improbable that they were gonna reach that support zone. This is a 5-minute chart actually, and we have a 15-minute chart here to the right. So I jumped in. Let's check this out. I was a little nervous, thinking that they might push a little lower, but they did not. Okay. Stop loss would have been here at this low, then at this low, then at this low, and then when this candle ended up green, I was pretty confident that they were at least going to go above that minor entry level, and that's exactly what they did. So really awesome trade. I'm here cleaning and picking up everything. So I was a little nervous because I don't wanna leave the trade open. So anyway, yeah, great trade. NASDAQ buy setup. Pop. We have entry. We have two contracts at 19,434.25. Pop. We have target. Two contracts at 19,449, which is 14 and a half points. 14 and a half points, right? Because it's 14 and a half points. Pop. We have total trade 14 and 14, that's 29 points. 29 points, which equals $580. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per NASDAQ point. Boom. Really awesome trade here. Less than 10 minutes. It was 5 minutes something, but anyway. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna keep on cleaning here, and I will see you again tomorrow, hopefully from Florida, from La Gatita. I'm excited to go back home. Small trade. Look how market reached that levels, pushed a little bit to the upside, and then it's bouncing right back. I don't know if they're gonna keep on pushing to the upside or not. All I can say is I followed price action. I had my support resistance trading zones per my legacy futures trading strategy, and most importantly, I followed price action. So yeah, great trade. 1, 2, 3. Let's go to the 1 minute chart and see how long this took. 1 minute chart. I don't know why it's taking time to, okay. Here we are. Hello. It's kind of slow when I change from time frames. I don't know why, but anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minute trade for 14.5 points, 29 point total. Really awesome trade. Remember, let me know in the comments what you think about the trade. If you have done anything different, subscribe, share, like, you know all the drill. I appreciate you watching, and remember, you want to learn my trading strategy, you want to join our trading group, questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Ka-ching!